Hello guys and welcome to this video today on problems in 3 dimensions, building on the measurement and geometry stuff for the Further Maths course. Now don't worry about it. If you're not doing Further Maths, no big deal. Trust me, the work is universal. Maths, as they say, is a constant. Small lol, big lol. What are we dealing with? Problems in 3 dimensions. Which problems? Well, Pythag, trig, sine rule, cosine rule. Hopefully they're all going to be in the 3 fairly large questions I'm about to do. Now, obviously, all of these videos are on MaffsGuru.com. If you haven't been over there, you can search by textbook and chapter, and there are downloadable notes. Absolutely free to sign up. Head over there. Could be the best thing you've done today. Alternatively, having breakfast could be the best thing you've done today. I don't know. It'd be fairly sad, actually, if you went over to my website and that was the best thing you did today. You need to get out more. Okay, so problems in 3 dimensions. Basically, the whole point of mathematics is that we teach you the framework that you can apply over and over again. All the work we've done so far is on triangles, right angle triangles and non-right angle triangles. So all of the questions I'm about to do, can you try and beat me to see where the triangles are that we're going to deal with? When you see the triangle, ask yourself the question, is it right angled or is it not right angled? Because ultimately, once you know that, you apply the right amount of theory with your CAS calculator and you should be able to get all of these answers. Now, the examples I'm using are extracted with permission from the Cambridge Further Maths textbook. And thank you very much, Cambridge, for allowing me to use your examples. You guys absolutely rock, and your textbook is really second to none. Okay, so here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is not an exercise in reading the alphabet. Is a cuboid. All right, not a cube, a cuboid. A cuboid is basically a rectangular 3-dimensional shape. Find the distance dB. All right, first things first. So I'm going to highlight where dB is. It's this distance here. All right, so can I see a triangle there that might be right angled? And in many cases, this is a perspective thing, looking down on the top. If I actually look down on the top, I'm going to end up with, here is the plan view, and I'm going to have A, B, C, and D. Do I know anything about the length AB? I do, it's 10 centimeters. Do I know anything about the length BC? I do, it's 8 centimeters. And they want the length going across here. Well, it's a length. Can I see a right angle triangle? I can. Do I know the lengths of said triangle? I do if I move that 8 to there. And so finding that length is going to be a Pythagoras question. So part A, we now know then that dB squared, and I'm going to write these like this for the moment. I'm going to scroll up a moment, is equal to 8 squared plus 10 squared, which is 64, plus 100, which is 164. So dB, if you remember, is going to be the square root of 164. Now, I'm going to fire up my CAS calculator, and I'm going to work out, he says, bring up the keyboard, the square root of 164. Hit enter, and that gives me a value of 12.81 centimeters. Don't know that it gave me any, no it didn't. So I'm going to round all my values at the moment to 2 decimal places. Why is this going to be important to me? Well, this value here, the square root of 164 is what we call an exact value. And I can use that in later parts of the diagram if anyone tells me to find dB. What I wouldn't want to be doing is using my rounded value, because rounded values start to introduce rounding errors. That is not a good idea. So the distance HB, so let's highlight the distance HB. Where are you? H to B, that's this distance here. Well, hold on a moment. Now, this is doing something in maths that I really, really don't like. I can see I've got a triangle here from H to D to B and back again. But it's going to require that I use my previous value. Now, in most of maths, we try not to do that, because if you've made a mistake on one value, you're going to ripple through that mistake through the rest of the questions. Now, don't press stop, not just yet, guys. This is a preview video and you've reached almost the end of it, but it does continue over on MaffsGuru.com. MaffsGuru.com, yep, that's my custom website. Bits of it you can see around me at the moment. That has been designed to allow the videos to be easier searched than they are on YouTube. So you can search by chapter, by textbook. Each video has downloadable notes for you, so you can put them in your summary book or your exercise book. There are exam questions, and there is more and more content and more stuff coming as time allows. So head on over there. It's absolutely free to sign up, and I'm doing everything I can to make sure that you guys enjoy maths and actually take out the mastery of maths. It is not as hard as you think. It is all smoke and mirrors. Okay, thanks very much. Take care, guys. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Stay safe.